Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to discuss about method and functions. So what is method? A method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a method. Methods are used to perform certain actions and they are also known as functions. Why use methods? Because we can reuse the code, define the code once, and use it many times. So that is uh, we're going to use method. So we have this to create a method in the so we need to by this static void main my method. This is how you are going to write the method. So static void method, tapos yung um, parentheses are after the name of the method, and then curly brace to execute the code block. So we have this system out that print line. So that's the string of it. I just got executed. So in the my method na function is named. So this is how we're going to name. No? So is the name of the method static. So yung static ito, this is static, means that the method belongs to the class, not an object of the class. You will learn more about objects and how to access methods through objects later in this tutorial. Void, this is the void, means that this method does not have a return value. You will learn more about return value later in this chapter of tutorials. So to call this method and execute this code, we need to just type the name and then the parenthesis and semicolon. We're going to try this to run. So as you can see, I just got executed. So the method is called by calling the name of the method or the functions. So if you have questions, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, click the subscribe and the notification bell. See you on the next video for more tutorials regarding this method and functions. See you!